Hi. Hello. How are you? Welcome to today's talk of how to save money. Um, I have been either in your place or I am in your place. This is real life, and we're all kind of still working through it. And one thing that I have had the hardest time getting to learn more about is how to budget, how to save, where to cut money. It's like we'll talk about everything with our girlfriends except this topic. I mean, come on, ladies, gentlemen, like you're right there with me. We've talked about, how to handle a tantrum and the best skincare. But do we ever talk about what's the best life insurance policy or the best way to cut money on groceries? Like, not really. So I'm going to break through that barrier and I'm going to say, girlfriend, we're going to talk about it right now because especially today, with everything going on with the pandemic, it is more important than ever to know what is going on with your money. So for today's article, we are going to talk about 5 ways or 5 things you should never buy while you're at the grocery store. 5. And I will tell you why. And I have some that were actually surprisers to me. And this episode actually is going to change the way I shop. So even me, I'm learning something new today. So let's start off with number 1. The first thing you should never buy at a grocery store, and I don't care if it's like Costco, Amazon, groceries, paper towels. Hear me out. I know. I started with the tough one first. Like, how many are like, holy heck, Sabline, I need paper towels. I have kids. I have things to wipe up. I hear you. But I also know that 5 years ago, I was on a really strict rice and beans, really insane. I think we were spending $400 a month on groceries for 2 adults and a baby. And the one thing that I cut was paper towels. Because if you go to Costco, paper towels are like $20, $30. That's a lot of money. I mean, can you imagine the amount of food that you can buy for $20 or $30 every single month? I can. I mean, that's like chicken. That's like a 6-pack of chicken. And then you add in salad and fruit and like, oh my gosh. So what did I do? Because, hello, did I not mention I had a newborn and I now have 3 kids and 2 dogs and 1 cat and we have spills. So what did I do? Instead of paper towels, I have my sponge. I have my cloth that I use to wipe up. I have 1 dish towel that is for drying hands, 1 that is for drying your plates. I also have napkins. So we use cloth napkins. And those cloth napkins are what we use for dinner time. And at the end of the day, I just kind of grab everything up and it goes in with my daily wash. We have not missed paper towels. Well, okay, that's not fair. We always have 1 roll on hand if we're frying something. There's always that recipe where like you have to dry chicken. Like I always have 1 roll, but 1 roll lasts me the whole entire year. So that's number 1. No more paper towels. I encourage you to try it out. Number 2, soda and juices. And my husband is a soda fiend. This is something that we have thought about since before we were even married. I just don't buy them. With the juice, you can get the same nutritional value from the fresh juice for a fraction of the cost, and it's a heck of a lot healthier. For sodas, it's just not healthy for you. Sodas are meant to be a luxury item. It's something that you have at every once in a while, and that does save me money. I don't have to worry about the kids don't even ask for juices. Juices are like the bee's knees. It's because we had a birthday party and I maybe bought some apple juice. And that I don't even do anymore because after going around and finding half-drinking apple juices, I spent that money on something more fun. So number 1, no paper towels. Number 2, no sodas and juices. And I promise you, the kids won't miss it once it becomes a routine and a habit. I know they get water. Every once in a while we'll do sparkling water, but that's usually not, that's for me. But yeah, no sodas or juices. Number 3 is pre-made food. Pre-made food is loaded with tons of hidden sugars, calories, and it costs an arm and a leg. For the same amount of money that you would be getting for that pre-made food, you can get 2 to 3 times the amount of the same ingredients So you're going to save money. It's going to be better for your waistline. And if you're saying, hey, Sabline, I'm busy, I work a full-time job, how am I supposed to get dinner on the table? Give this video a like, and I will actually show you how I'm able to make dinner in 20 minutes or less for 3 kids. And it's going to be healthy, it's going to be affordable, and it's going to be time efficient. So if you want to know that, like this video so I know to make it for you. All right? Okay. And that also includes sweets. So cookie aisles, don't go down. Nope. If we want cookies, we make them. So I have the ingredients to make chocolate chip cookies. The one exception with the pre-made food is I have the Costco Ghirardelli brownie mix because brownies are just a pain to make. So if you know how to good, quick, easy brownie recipe, share it with me, please. Number 4, greeting cards. $5 for a greeting card. I can feed my family for $5. If you want to know more about that, like the video. But $5 for a greeting card, friends, please save your money. I am A-okay with you reusing a bag, with you making your own bag, and with you making me a card. Do not spend $5 on a greeting card. That is insanity. Trader Joe's has them for 99 cents. That's a little bit more reasonable. Or you know what? Who doesn't love a kid's homemade card? Let's save that money. That is money that can be spent elsewhere. So here's the one that blew my mind. Blew it. I have how many kids? 3. How much money have I spent on diapers? Literally a shit ton. So I was looking on good ways for you guys to save money on groceries and things just not to buy. And I found one for diapers. And I said, no one's going to be Costco. Nuh-uh. I love my Costco. Well, lo and behold, I did the research for you ladies, diapers. So right now we're in 3T to 4T. And I didn't even price check Safeway because I know it's just mind-boggling more expensive. But Costco's been my jam. Costco is my jam. If you ever want to see what I buy at Costco and then what I buy at Grocery Outlet and what I buy at the 99-cent store to keep our cost for groceries down, let me know. But Costco's been where I've been getting diapers for literally the last decade because I have had a child in diapers for a decade. I'm on my last, I think I have a couple more months until we're going to be diaper free home. But I just found this thing. So Costco for the pull-ups, it's a box of 107 and it's $37. My receipt's over there somewhere. Anyway, that works out to 35 cents per diaper. Now, Amazon Subscribe and Save, which I'm a huge fan of. I mean, I'm sorry, anything that I can buy on a regular basis and I automatically get anywhere between 15 to 20% off, amen, sign me up. I don't have to cut coupons. It's just automatically done for me. I am all over that jam. So I'm already a big subscribe and save gal. That's where all my beauty products, those dish towels that I use on a regular, I rotate them every 6 months. Those are my subscribe and save. I automatically get them and I already get a savings off of it. It is awesome. Diapers. Never thought to look at diapers for subscribe and save. But hello, they're 34 cents for subscribe and save on the diapers. So guess who just added diapers to her June issue of subscribe and save? I did. So that's it. I'm here to help you save money because I'm all about saving money. So the 5 things I never buy that I can put towards my goals, whether it be a trip to Hawaii, whether it be a nice trip to Disneyland. I finally checked my Disneyland, staying at the Disneyland Hotel off of my checklist, and it was because I saved money on things that just aren't really needed. So if you are looking to save money, if you have saving goals, this is how you do it. You can still live the life you want, but find the things that you really don't need, that you can go without, and cut them out. Paper towels, soda and juices, pre-made foods. Yes, I'm totally cheating on my list. That's okay. Greeting cards, and now, well, I still buy diapers, but buy diapers from Amazon and subscribe and save. That's it, y'all. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to hear more, subscribe. I linked our email newsletter down below, so go over, set it up, and then every week in your inbox, you get to see all of our latest videos and articles. Love you. Bye.